Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today, we will learn about the past perfect tense. This tense is used when you want to talk about an action that happened before another action in the past. Understanding the past perfect will help you tell clearer stories and explain the order of events. The past perfect is a verb tense that shows a past action that happened before another past action. The formation is simple, had plus the past participle. For example, had eaten, had gone, had written. The past participle is the third form of the verb. This structure helps us show which event happened first. Let me show you how the past perfect works with a timeline. First, something happens. Second, something else happens. The first action uses the past perfect tense. So we say, she had eaten breakfast, and then she went to work. The had eaten part shows the first action, and went to work is the second action. This makes it clear what happened first. Here is a real example. Imagine you went to a movie, but before you went to the movie, you ate dinner. We say, I had eaten dinner before I went to the movie. The had eaten shows the first action. The went shows the second action. Without the past perfect, it would be unclear which happened first. Here is another example. She could not open the door. Why? Because she had lost her key. We say, she could not open the door because she had lost her key. The had lost shows something that happened before she tried to open the door. This makes the reason clear. One more example. He got a job. Why did he get the job? Because he had prepared well for the interview. We say, he got the job because he had prepared well for the interview. The had prepared shows that his preparation happened before the interview result. Now let us compare past perfect with simple past. Use past perfect when you have two past actions and you need to show which one happened first. For example, I had eaten before I left. But use simple past when the order is already clear or when you are talking about one action. For example, I ate and then I left. The key difference is whether you need to show order clearly. The past perfect has another important use. It can show how long something had been happening before another past action. For example, she had worked there for 5 years before she quit. The had worked shows that she worked for 5 years. Then something else happened. She quit. This use case answers the question, how long had something been going on? Let me give you a duration example. He studied English for 10 years, then he moved to America. We say, he had studied English for 10 years before he moved to America. The had studied shows that his studying happened before the move, and it also tells us the duration, 10 years. This shows both the order and the length of time. Now let us look at common mistakes. Do not say, I ate before I went. This is wrong because it does not show which action happened first. Instead say, I had eaten before I went. The had is necessary. Without it, the listener might think both actions happened at the same time or that the order is unclear. Always use had plus the past participle for the first action. Let us review the key points. First, past perfect is formed with had plus the past participle. Second, it shows which action happened first when you have two past actions. Third, it can also show how long something had been happening before another past action. Practice using had plus past participle in your sentences. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. Thank you for learning about the past perfect tense.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.